If you ever get stuck while using Microsoft Word, the built-in help feature can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to open help in Microsoft Word, so you can find answers, learn features, and solve problems without leaving the app. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tips and software tutorials. Let's get started. The quickest way to open help in Microsoft Word is by pressing the F1 key on your keyboard. This is the fastest shortcut, and it instantly brings up the Help pane or the Word Help window, depending on your version of Microsoft Word. So if you're working on a document and need support right away, just tap F1 and you're already there. Once the Help panel opens, you can type in what you need help with. For example, you might search for formatting text, inserting images, changing page layout, or fixing a document issue. Word will then show you related help articles and suggestions, making it much easier to find the exact answer you need. Another way to access help is through the File menu. Click File in the top left corner of Microsoft Word, then choose Help. This takes you into the Help section, where you can browse support options and get more information about Word features. If you prefer using menus instead of keyboard shortcuts, this is a simple and reliable method. You can also look for the question mark button in the top right corner of the Word window. This question mark icon is another quick shortcut to Microsoft Word Help. Click it, and Word will open support options that can guide you to the information you need. Depending on your version of Word, the layout may look a little different, but the Help feature is still easy to find. Using help in Microsoft Word is especially useful when you're learning the software, troubleshooting a problem, or trying to work faster. Instead of searching the web and guessing, you can use the built-in support tools that come right with Word. That means less time wasted and more time getting your work done. So remember the main ways to use help in Microsoft Word. Press F1 for the fastest access, go to File and then Help, or click the question mark button in the top right corner. These simple steps give you multiple ways to get support whenever you need it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Word tutorials, productivity tips, and beginner-friendly software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.